Hi everyone, how are you all? So this is Junaid Khan and in today's video we will be continuing our pandas exercise section. So I will try to cover all these three exercises. Okay, so as we can see, so this is a Udemy course which I have started. So why I'm making the video on this? So you guys must be thinking like why to make videos while solving the exercise. I'm making the video so that you can get to know how we solve the things and what we should do and what we should not while solving the pandas. So this is the data frame basic one. So I have started those and we will continue till the parts. Okay, so this is like the I think this was the course which I have started. Okay, so we will continue with this course and let's see how much time we will take. I will try to finish this course by the next week. Okay, so there are 150 plus exercises, so I will try to solve at least 3 to 4 to 5 exercises daily. So yesterday we have solved one. So now we start with solving this. Okay. So let's get started. So let's see if any one has came or so right now no one has came. So no worry. We will solve it and we will continue with that. And okay. Let me share this if anyone wants to know like we are live or not. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so exercise 2 is indexing and slicing. So what is indexing and slicing and all these things. So we will try to do that. I don't know what this has. So let's import pandas. So how we import pandas? Import pandas as PD. So in the previous video, I have told you like how to like import the pandas. So this is how we import the pandas. Now the data set which we are going to import is the cars data set. So what we do, just type cars. Okay, cars equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Okay, this is how we do, and now we will pass the csv file name. So where is the path? The path name we will pass it here. So I am having the csv file in the same folder, so I will pass this only. Okay, so here is cars.csv and we will just hit the enter. Now inspect it. What's the meaning of inspect? So do just type the cars. So this is how we are going to inspect and what the now all these things, the name of the car, where origin, model year. So this is I already told you in the previous video. So now we will start the select the column name with the attribute dot notation with what is the name of car index label at 393. So we need to find that. Okay, cars and the column name. So we will do the what's the name of the column name, so we will pass it here. So dot only name, we are not going to pass the quotation here, only dot name we will pass it here. And what's the name of the car with index label 393? So if you see the index label with 393 is Ford Mustang GL. So this is the Ford Mustang GL. And if we see, if I can pass it here, I lock 393. So will it work? I don't know. Oh, it throws me an error. So what's the error? So we should know how to solve the error. What's the error? I'm also learning. Okay, so I know some basics and I know some things, but sometimes we don't know. That's why I started this series so that I can get to know, learn all these things, and with you, you also can learn this. Okay. So what we are gonna do might be the okay. So here it is. So that's the parenthesis. I by mistake I did the open braces, so we should use here in the iLock square bracket. Okay, so here is Ford Mustang OL. Okay, okay, someone is here. So if you are a hello, so hey Mukadam, hi, how are you? So you are going to learn pandas here. Okay, I hope I will help you. So now apply for the second alternative to select the column. If you have, yeah, Sohail, if you have any doubt, so you can ping me in this chat. So I will check by one. So you can ping me it here. Anyone who is uh, okay. So now apply ninth question is apply also a second alternative to select the column name. So what's the second alternative? Here is cars. We pass the variable name. Now we will write the square bracket and it here we will pass the name. Okay. So these are the two methods, cars dot name and cars dot name. So these are two different methods. So first one was cars dot name. So these two methods we generally use to print the same things. So let me show you the, if you forget it. So uh, just type it here. See, both are the things same. That's just two different alternatives ways to print the same thing. So if you forget one, so you can remember another. So another one is select the car or row. So you might guys thinking why you should follow me. So let me tell you, I'm in TCS and working on a data analysis project, and these are the my kind of things which I generally do. So that's why I'm going to teach you on YouTube, so that people like me who face some difficulty. I never did any course online while paying anyone. I didn't pay any penny to learn anything. Okay, so I learned it for free. So right now I am also learning for free, and you can also learn for free by watching it. And I will upload these exercises on my GitHub profile, so you can go there and download it from there. If you want to practice, just let me know and I will upload it right away. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now select the car or row at index position 100. So at index position 100, we need to select the car or row with the iLock operator or column. How many cylinders does the car have? Okay, so we need to go to the car's index position at 100. Okay, so let's go to there. Cars dot iLock. How many cylinders does the car have? Okay, iLock, and we know in the iLock we use square bracket, so we will apply 100 here. Okay, so the cylinders in the car have six. So the answer is six, as you can see it here. So answer is six. Now we need to do. Are you getting it? So select the car or at index position. The same thing we need to do, but here is a catch, and only the column name. So we need only the column name. So how we are gonna do it? Just see it here. Cars dot I of square bracket, and it here we will pass the rows. Okay, so not 2000, only 200. And after that, what we need a column, and after that we will pass the column name. I think this is how we do. I don't know, it might throw an error. Oh yeah, we got an error. So what's the error? So how we are gonna do it? Okay, so I don't know why I cannot do positional indexing on range index with the indexer name. So what we need to do? So for that, I think, okay, it's food. Okay, name. I think I might have made a mistake, but this should not be the error. Okay, so we need to search for that. Okay, so I'm also failing in this part. So what we do, we go to the Google and search about it. So I'm not using Google right now, I'm using Bing. So we will go to the Bing and search about it. So select the car row at index position with iLock operator and only the column name. So how to select a column name? So what we search? How to select a column name with iLock operator. So this is how we are going to search. Okay, okay. So what we do? The same thing we are going to do it, but why it is throwing? Okay, we generally do the same thing. Class.iLock, select last time rows. Okay, okay. We got a hint here, so same thing is here. So it's not going to help us. Hmm. Let's copy this and paste it. Select a column, rows. Okay. So see, this is how we are gonna see if we fail somewhere. So we generally go and see like how we are going to do it. Okay. Now playbacks 9 playbacks we have, and no one is okay. No problem. Sometimes this happens, but at some point we got a huge number of people here. Okay. Okay. cd.ilock2. We use ilock operator here. We are using it here. Okay. 235, and for the ilock we generally use indexing, so we need to here and only the column name. So the indexing is -1. Why I am passing it here? I forgot about it totally. Man, cars 200 and the minus 1. Okay. Oh, it's not working also. No worries. We will paste it here right now. How to select data in pandas? Okay, Python pandas log ilog. So this is where like sometimes we don't know how to use indexing and ilog and location function. So that happens sometimes. Okay, okay. No one is perfect in anything. So last column of data frame from ID. So this is what I am using, but why it's not showing me the same thing? I don't know. I was also using the same thing before, but it is showing me all the things from 200 to minus 1. Okay. Yeah, fish man. We totally forget about it. What we are going to do? Index we need at index position 200, and here we need to pass minus 1. That's the simple thing. Okay, and we totally forget about that. We do not used to use colon. We use here comma. Okay, so that's my mistake. Okay, so this is how silly mistakes we generally do, and this is how we are gonna solve it. So you will feel like we are in a class here. Okay, like if you go in a coaching center and they will teach you, so when they mistake, so they also try to solve in front of you. So that's what I am doing it here. Like I'm taking a data. Okay, I don't know about that data anything, but I'm going to solve it. And I never learned it on YouTube. I'm not listening the videos, but I'm going to solve the questions. What, how? Because I know some basics, and you also want to know how to use ilogs and all those things. If you want to know anything so that I can teach, I should teach any other thing. So let me know. I will teach that too. Okay, I know there are so many YouTubers who teach each and everything in detail. So that's why I'm not going to teach that. That's why I'm not teaching it. Why? Because they're not going to solve. They are not solving the particular problem or any data set. They just do predefined things, and they already did it. So they are just telling that too. Okay. So why I'm doing it? So that this can be your like when you make mistakes, right? So you will learn a lot of things from your mistakes. So that's why I'm making mistakes and doing things which I never I didn't did it. Okay, so that's why I'm doing it. So it took me around 2 3 minutes, but we solved it. So that's matter. Time is not mattering right now. What is mattering is like you are solving it. Okay. So if any questions came, no. Okay. So select the last 10 rows. So we need to select the last 10 rows and the column MPG. So how we are going to select the last 10 rows? So what we do is minus 10. Okay. From minus 10 to all, and the column MPG horsepower. So we are going to use column. Okay. MPG. So we are going to pass MPG. Why am I writing it? I don't know. Let's just copy and paste it now. That's so simple. That's what we computer science engineers do. We generally just copy and paste it. We just don't want to type each and everything. So what we do just here, same. But so try to make all these simple things. Oh, we got an error now. iLog requires numeric indexes. So iLog requires numeric. Okay, so we are using iLog again. So we are going to use this formula. Okay, so MPG horsepower origin. So MPG horsepower and origin. So this is the index 0. So what we are gonna do, we pass it here 0. Okay, so we made a mistake. So this is what I'm saying. Making mistakes is okay, but correcting is, but leaving mistakes is not okay. Okay, so make mistakes as much as possible, and you will learn a lot of things from your mistake. Okay, we as a data analyst also do a lot of mistakes, lot of mistakes, silly mistakes like we did in dialogue. So more silly mistakes than that. So when we learn a lot of things, this happens. Okay, so horsepower is having 0 1 2 3 third column. Okay, my numlock is off. My numlock is off. No problem. And after that we need origin, that's -2, and the name -1. So why I'm using -2, I'm not don't wanna use -2 and here -1 and just hit enter. Yeah, voila, we got it. So this is the MPG is 44. What the MPG of VW pickup? VW pickup 52, man. Why are you saying 44? That's wrong. You don't know anything. No. Okay. Oh, sorry. That's the horsepower. MP is 44. Might means he knows something. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Let's go ahead. So import the cars data set one more time. Save in the variable cars and set the column name as the index. Fill in the gaps. Okay. Column name is index. So we will just inspect it. So how we are gonna do it is this way. You know how to import CSV, cars.csv, and I forget to quotation here. And now we want the index as name. Naming should be index, so we will pass it here. Index equals to name. This is what we are gonna do, and just hit enter. Okay, we got an error. Oh, foil. Index unexpected keyword argument. Okay, okay, read CSV gotten. So read CSV does not have index column. So he has made some mistake, I think. So pd.read CSV. So we need to search about that because we don't know how to make index while loading a CSV file. What in? Pandas. Okay. How do I change index in a CSV file through pandas in Python? So what we are gonna do? He loaded accept all cookies. So nothing is okay. Okay. pd.read CSV set index. So this is how set index while loading. So not while reading we cannot do this, I think. Okay, this is another tutorial. So how you okay, set index. So we need to use set index after loading it. So this was wrong, man. So you made it a mistake here. So we are gonna do just cut it out from this. Okay, and then hit enter. And again, how I'm doing inserting a cell above and below. So while escape. So when we are not writing in a cell and we are just selecting a cell but not inside a cell. So this is how blue thing came up. And here, if you want to insert a cell above, just press A. If you want a cell below this, so just press B. If you want to delete the cell, press D 2 times. Okay, this is how we are going to delete cells. So this is a shortcut. Now cars dot set underscore index. So what the index we are going to say what we are, so that's the name. Okay, now hit enter. So we got it. Voila, no problem. So rush the cell to inspect. Oh, we didn't use in place equals to true. So we need to use in place equals to true, or what we can do, just assign it back. That's simple. We are assigning it back, and this is how we got it. Now runs the cell and inspect. Okay, we have any okay concurrent viewers this much. Okay, thanks man who is doing it. I hope I might be helping you. Yeah, Praveen. Hi man, Praveen. So if you have any doubt, just ping it here. I'm here to answer you. Cars dot runs the cell and inspect. Okay, so we are getting the information of the cars. Okay, so what the car is MPG cylinder displacement. So I already told you yesterday that this has horsepower has six null values. Okay, so as we can see it here, so this has the six null values. Now inspect the new index of the data frame by calling the index attribute. So how I didn't get that part. How we are going to index attribute? So what we are going to do if it is saying cars dot index. Oh, we got it. We are inspecting it. We got it the name of Chevrolet Bake. Okay, so this whatever the name of the car has, we got it. Now you must be thinking why this person like whosoever made this exercise made this name of the car is as an index. So I'm gonna tell about that. So let's see why we are making the name car name as an index because for that particular car we have everything and that makes our analysis easy. So how we are gonna analyze like which car has most number of cylinders, okay, and what's their price. So this is how we are gonna predict, like if that car has cylinder this much displacement horsepower, so what will be the price or what will be the acceleration. So here we don't have price, so we are not going to predict the price. If that column is here, so you can find that column, I think in the Kaggle. If you find the data set on the Kaggle, you can find that, and you can predict and you can apply the linear regression or multiple linear regression, or what you can do, you can do the k-mean clustering, the k-mean or knn, I think. So that will be the beneficial, or random forest is the best. Okay, so let's move ahead and solve this exercise. Any question? No question? If you have, just ping it here on the comment box. Okay, no question. So let's go ahead. Select the row with the index label 4 ranges. Use the lock operator. So we need to use the lock operator now. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna pass just type our variable name of the car, data frame name, and after that use the lock operator. We need to use the lock operator, and after that we need to select the row. So the row we need to select, okay, and the index label forge ranger. Okay, log. So how we are gonna do it? I also don't know because I'm little confused in log and ilog. So what we gonna do? Just go it here and learn about something log operator. So what's the log operator data frame name? So this how we will pass the um, row. Okay, from 0 to nth, and this is the column. How we select the columns? Okay, so this is how we are gonna do. Now, after that, can we do any other thing? DF log, city, salary, okay, I log. So, what we are gonna do that just log and the rows and the columns which we are going to select for Ranger. So, we don't have select the row with index label. So, we need to search about it a little more. Select a particular index using log operator in Python. So this is how we search. See, no one is perfect in anything. Even a software engineer also learn a lot of things while implementing a things. So as a data analyst or data scientist, that field is wide. You cannot learn a period of time. So if you want a data analyst, just learn few things. Start applying in a job, and after getting a job, just learn other things. Don't wait to learn all the things. You can't learn each and everything in a limited period of time. If you even pay to the great learning subject, I'm not like demonizing what we say, like I'm not saying that you should not do, but I don't like that to give them a lot of money. That's a lot of money, man. So this is the money they are want, like for a year. I get it from TCS that much only, and even not that much, little low. So how can I do that? Okay. Now, oh, pandas extracting rows using lot. Okay, so pandas dot index dot get lock. So this is how we can get it. Index dot get lock operator. So what we do, IDX print the index will print get lock. Okay, index index will got lasa IDX get lock. This is the fourth exercises. Cars get location. So what location we want? Food ranger. Food Ranger. So I think through this we will get only location, not the rows. What get location is wrong. Okay, man. So the parenthesis is wrong here, and here with this we are going to get only the location. So it's not working, man. How you did it? I don't know, but this is not working. Okay. So let's move ahead. I'm not getting any replies, man. If you are live, then please comment it now. We will like it. Okay, let's make this interactive. Now, so this is not working. So what we are gonna do? Let's cast out location. Cast out location not working. So I think we will not be able to do much today. I have to go now. So just let's just first complete this exercise. And tonight we will be live again and do all these stuffs. And we'll try to complete all the things as soon as possible. So data dot log. Okay, this is a retrieving rows by this. Okay, so we'll using in this. Can we pass it here? So let's just copy and paste it. Why to write it all the other time? Okay. Oh, we get it. So why am I searching if we can get it? Okay, so the weight is 2625. Yes, the weight is 2625. We need to find the weight. Yes, we need to find the weight. So the two questions are left. Select the row with the index label for Torino and only the columns model year and origin. What is model year? Select the row. So only the row we need to select. Okay, so we will pass the data frame name cards dot location. Okay, after that what we are going to do, the row we need row only, so we will pass the row here. This is our first is row, and after that column, and we will pass the column name is, we are not going to type it. No, we are not going to type it. We are just going to copy and paste it for Torino, and then again comma, model year, index label. Oh, that's the index label. uh Model year, that's the model year. That's my mistake. Okay, good. Okay, control. Yeah, shit. That sometimes happen. And the photo, Okay, we got it. Let's run this cell first. So cast.log for Torino, and we get the column name model year 70. I think location, that's dot log or dot ilog is pretty interesting. We can get a lot of things from here. We can, if we want the particular thing. So that's the index name. Index name is for Torino, and the column name is for model year and origin. So for that particular index, we get two column values. Now we need to set the column mpg and weight all rows we need with the lock operator. So what I'm gonna do, I'm little just, I don't like to type all the things all the time. So what we are gonna do, just copy and paste above thing and pass it here mpg, and here weight, right? So voila, we get it. We get all the rows which have column mpg and weight. So this is what we are gonna do, and this is the hidden spoiler. So we don't want this spoiler. We have Google, being Microsoft, being we can learn a lot of things. So I think I might have you in learning of this panda exercises. So this took up quite a while, but why it takes a lot of time, because I am speaking side by side, so that's why it's taking time. So we did this exercise. Now we will go with this. So right now I can't do this. Okay, so in the evening, I will try to do this exercise third and fourth, and we will be live for that. All the session which I'm going to solve the exercise for, so that will be live, whether you guys are here or not, but that will be live. Okay, so if you want to learn, if you want to ask in anything in related to pandas, I'm here. Okay, you can ask it. No, if that thing is not related to this, if I know, I can tell you at that time. If I don't know, I will search and again reply to you, and I will search in front of you only. Whenever you get any problem, just type it in here. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.